Hello guys, it is another beautiful Alaska day, and another beautiful day for another Alaskan adventure. Hey, no, no. We're gonna try to go kayaking again and fishing, but this time at Chena Lake. We've had luck with that lake before, so we are going to do that. So the kayaks are already loaded up on the truck. We just have to load the food for the day, our fishing poles, and then we're gonna head out. Let me do a little outfit of the day. All right, so I have a little button-down fishing shirt. This actually is the drone. I have Columbia hiking pants. They're kind of like dry wicking. And then I have just a low-rise extra tough shoes. And a hat, obviously. Let's see what Chris's outfit of the day is. He has Columbia long sleeve shirt.
With a hood.
With a hood. What kind of pants are these?
Fall Raven.
Fall Raven pants and Merrill shoes. So I think we are ready to go fishing. Just got to the lake, getting our kayaks ready. Mine is good to go. Definitely gotta have a mosquito racket. Life jackets. Chris is making sure he has all of his fishing stuff. And yeah, take these out in the water and go test our luck on this lake. So one thing that Chris has, he has his fly, what is it, gink? To make sure his flies are staying on top of the water. And his pliers for when we catch fish. You ready to go? So one of the really cool things we like about this lake in particular is that they have little ravine like cutoffs off of the lake, and the fish really like to hang out there. So that's where we are headed, and we're going to see if we can catch anything today. The first fish of the season. Let's go. Ew. Tight lines wins the prize. It'd be nice if the sun came out, but it is quite overcast and it's a little chilly. So, time to put on the good old rain jacket that I just dipped. I just dipped it in the water. Always carry your rain jacket with you, whether it's for warmth or rain. We have other patrons on the water. They're being so loud. So we decided just to coast and eat our sandwiches. How's the sandwich? Crazy thing about Alaska is that meteorologists and the weather reports say one thing, but Alaska decides it wants to do another. It's raining. We didn't truly anticipate for rain, just really clouds. Rain wasn't supposed to start until 8 o'clock tonight, and it is only 2 o'clock. So yeah, I think we're gonna start heading back so that way we don't get completely soaked. We got soaked last time we were on here, and it was not fun, so. As you can see, the water is a little choppy. So you're definitely putting in more effort to get back, but gotta get back.